runs in your mind. You don't know it all. This